Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, going to read a story, a new chapter. The chapter name is The Scholar's Mother Tongue. Over here, what do you mean by that? मदर टंग मतलब अपनी जो मातृभाषा होती है वो. अभी यहाँ गुजरात में क्या है, मातृभाषा गुजराती. यू विल फाइंड ऑल पीपल आर टॉकिंग इन गुजराती लैंग्वेज, राइट? If you go to in Maharashtra, you will find most of the people are talking in their mother tongue, that is Marathi. If you go to Punjab, you will find mostly people are talking in Punjabi language. And if you go to foreign countries, you will find they are talking in English. So over here, mother tongue means what? अपनी जो मातृभाषा होती है वो. So this is a story about a pandit. See, you can see a picture. A pandit is there. It is a court scene. Over here you can see Akbar. King Akbar is there, right? And over here you can see Birbal is there. Here is Birbal. Now what happened one day? A learned pandit once visited the court of Akbar. Who was Pandit? He was very learned, and he visited the court of Akbar. He speaks many languages. He could speak many languages fluently. Means उसको बहुत सारी भाषाएं आती थी. हर एक भाषा उसको आती थी और बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से वो बोलता था. He told about it to the king and his courtiers. और उसने ये जो उसकी कला थी वो उसने किंग को भी बताया और कोर्ट में जो हाजिर थे सब सभ्य उनको भी उन्होंने बताया और उसे चैलेंज किया. ही चैलेंज एवरीबडी. उसने सबको चैलेंज किया कोर्ट में कि मेरी जो मदर टंग है वो आप पहचानो. लेकिन सब किसी ने भी उसकी मदर टंग जो है नहीं पहचान पाए. सब के सब उसकी मदर टंग पहचानने में असफल रहे. उसे चुनौती दी थी और सबने चुनौती जो उसने दी थी कि मेरी जो मदर टंग है वो आप मातृभाषा बताने को ललकारा उसने और सभी असफल हो गए. देन व्हाट हैपन? बीरबल टुक अप द चैलेंज. अंत में किसने चैलेंज स्वीकार किया उसकी चुनौती? बीरबल ने. ही वेंट क्वाइटली टू द पंडित्स रूम. बीरबल ने चैलेंज लिया. बीरबल ने क्या किया? वो चुपके से पंडित के कमरे में गया और उसने पंडित के कान में ईयर में व्हाट डिड बीरबल डिड? ही विस्पर्ड इनटू पंडित्स ईयर एंड टिकल्ड इट विद अ फेदर. उसने क्या कहा? पंडित के कान में कुछ गुनगुनाया और उसने क्या कहा? एक पंख से उसे कान में गुदगुदी करी. पंडित वॉज फास्ट एस्लीप. ही शाउटेड. आप जब सो जाते हो, राइट, आपके कान में अगर कोई आपको कुछ कहता है या फिर गुदगुदी करते हैं तो आपको कैसा लगता है? आप भरी नींद में से जग जाते हो और आपको बहुत ही गुस्सा आता है. और उसी तरह से इस पंडित ने भी वही किया. दिस पंडित सेम वे द पंडित डिड द सेम थिंग. ही वॉज फास्ट एस्लीप. Birbal came. He whispered something in his ears, in the pandit ears, and he tickled with the leaf, with the flower, right, in his ears. So pandit just woke up and he shouted in his mother tongue. और उसे चिल्लाकर बोला कुछ शब्द उसके मातृभाषा में. इस प्रकार बीरबल को उसकी मातृभाषा के बारे में जानकारी हो गई. Like that Birbal came to know about his mother tongue. Next day again there was a court, right? Everybody came into the court. After that what happened? The Birbal told him that in times of difficulty Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. Birbal came to the court the next day and he said that Pandit's mother tongue is what? Telugu. So Pandit accepted the truth. What happened? See, the situation was what? Pandit challenged in the court everybody कि he knew many languages. Now from these languages everyone has to just find out what was his mother tongue. He started speaking all different languages. but nobody succeeded in it. Lastly, Birbal took up the challenge and he said, I will find out what is the mother tongue of this Pandit. So one day the Pandit was fast asleep. He was sleeping very, very fast asleep. So what Birbal did? He went near Pandit and he whispered something in his ears and he tickled something in his ears. So tickling sensation made Pandit awake and he shouted in his mother tongue. Like that, Birbal came to know what was his mother tongue. The next day the court was there. Next day the Birbal had to give the confirmation what was the mother tongue of the Pandit. Pandit also came and Birbal also came. And Birbal, in front of everyone in the court, he said that the Pandit's mother tongue is Telugu. Everybody was surprised. Even Pandit accepted that his mother tongue was Telugu. Then Akbar asked Birbal, okay, how did you come to know that Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu? So Birbal just simply he said that in difficulty a person speaks only his mother tongue. जब कोई इंसान आदमी परेशान होता है तो वो हमेशा अपनी मातृभाषा में ही बोलता है. He told him how he came to know the Pandit's mother tongue. बीरबल ने उन्हें ये भी बताया कि वह पंडित की मातृभाषा कैसे जान पाया. And he even admitted to everyone in the court कि how did he came to know the mother tongue of the Pandit. Now we will read the lesson. The scholar's mother tongue. A learned Pandit once visited the court of Akbar. You can see over here there is a picture of a learned Pandit. He visited the court of Akbar. Over here everybody is sitting. Even Birbal is also over here. एक बार एक विद्वान पंडित अकबर के दरबार में आया. He told the king and his courtiers that he had mastery over many different languages. उसने राजा और उसके दरबारियों से कहा कि उसे बहुत सी विभिन्न भाषाओं में महारत हासिल है. The Pandit could speak many languages fluently. He was so fluent that no one could find out what his mother tongue was. पंडित बहुत सी भाषाएं धारा प्रवाही बोल सकता था. वह इतनी सरलता से बोलता था कि कोई भी यह नहीं बता सकता था कि उसकी मातृभाषा क्या है. उसने दरबार में प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को चुनौती दी कि वह उसकी मातृभाषा बताए. जब हर कोई सफल हो गया तब बीरबल ने चुनौती स्वीकार की. What happened? He challenged everybody at the court. What the learned Pandit did? He told, I know many language. From that language you have to tell me which is my mother tongue. He started saying, but everybody was unsuccessful. Lastly the Birbal took the challenge. Who took the challenge? The Birbal took the challenge. The court to name the mother tongue. When everyone failed, the challenge was accepted by Birbal. It was taken by Birbal. That night, Birbal went quietly to the Pandit's room. When he was fast asleep, he whispered into Pandit's ear and tickled it with a feather. What happened? उस रात बीरबल पंडित के कमरे में धीरे से गया. जब वो सोया था उसने उसके कान में मून बुनाया और एक पंख से उसे कान में गुदगुदी की. See, you can see what Birbal is doing. He is tickling in his ears with the help of feather. पंडित अंध्र निद्रा में अचानक चिल्ला पड़ा और अपनी मातृभाषा में कुछ शब्द और जोर से बोला. See, that night Birbal went quickly and quietly to the पंडित's room. बीरबल पंडित के कमरे में गया उस रात. उसने क्या नज़ारा देखा कि पंडित गहरी नींद में सो रहा है. He was sleeping very fastly. So the Birbal said something in his ears and started tickling with the feather in his ears. So Pandit got up very angrily and he said something in his mother tongue. Then what happened next day? Now we'll see that. Pandit half awake cried out suddenly and shouted out words in his mother tongue. Birbal came to the court the next day and told everyone. बीरबल ने क्या किया? He came to the court next day और उसने सबको बताया. Pandit's mother tongue was Telugu. What was the Pandit's mother tongue? Telugu. The Pandit was surprised and accepted the truth. पंडित एकदम वो होगा, चौंक गया. What happened? The Pandit became surprised. हैरान हो गया और सच्चाई को स्वीकार कर लिया. हैरान हो गया, एकदम शॉक हो गया कि उससे मेरी मदर टंग कैसा पता चला. राइट, एंड ही एक्सेप्टेड द ट्रूथ. उसने स्वीकार किया कि येस, माई मदर टंग इज तेलुगु. किंग अकबर देन आस्क्ड बीरबल, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द ट्रूथ? किंग अकबर ने बीरबल से कहा, आपको सच्चाई का पता किस तरह से चला? बीरबल आंसर्ड. बीरबल ने क्या कहा? उसने जवाब दिया, इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी. इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज, मुश्किल घड़ी समय में व्यक्ति अपनी मातृभाषा में ही बोलता है. इन टाइम्स ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टी अ पर्सन स्पीक्स ओनली इन हिज मदर टंग. ओनली इन हिज मदर टंग. He told the king how he had gone to the Pandit's room at night to find out the truth. उसने ये भी कहा राजा से कि किस तरह से वो रात के समय पंडित के कमरे में सच का पता करने गया था. He did not hide anything from the king. He told the truth that also. कि how did he went into the Pandit's room to find out the truth. So dear children, I hope you have understood the chapter, the scholar's mother tongue, what it was, right? And you must have enjoyed also. Now we will do the new words. We are going to do the new words. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. T-O-N-G-U-E, mother tongue. C-H-A-L-L-E-N-G-E-D, challenged. T-I-C-K-L-E-D, tickled. I-R-R-I-T-A-T-E-D, irritated.